purpose, small footprint, low investment, and easy to operate. Let's we go on.
有买家进入直播间了。
This one is a screw oil press machine. The capacity of it is 1.3 tons per day, 3.3 tons per day, and 20 tons per day. So, the suitable for it is peanut flax, sesame, rapeseed seed, sunflower seed, and other. This is a screw oil press machine. The picture we can see. Okay, we can see the equipment advantage. The equipment advantage is multi-purpose, automatic, low investment, and easy to operate. So you need less time to use it. This is type 3. This is a type 3 screw, double screw coat oil press machine. It used for the peanut seed and other and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. And the capacity of it is 10 tons per day, 30 tons per day, 50 tons per day, and 100 tons per day. This is a picture of this machine. Equipment advantage. It is suitable for coat pressing and multi-purpose, automatic, and it is very automatic, so will save your labor, low residual oil rate, and then you will get more and more oil. This one is the oil press machine with filter. It is also automatic, low investment, and high oil quality, and multi-purpose. You can see it is suitable for peanuts, soybeans, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. The capacity of it is 1.3 tons per day, 3 tons per day, 3.5 tons per day, and 9 to 11 tons per day. This one, we can say, it is consist of temperature control system, oil processing section, and filtering section. So it can achieve the purpose of pressing and filtering. So it is very automatic than others. This one is a larger oil press machine. If your project is more big, and your company program, you can use this machine. The capacity of it is can achieve 300 tons per day, and other capacity is 9 to 10 tons per day, 45 to 50 tons per day, and other. It is suitable for peanuts, sesame, rapeseed, sunflower seed, cotton seeds, soybeans, and more than 30 kinds of oil seeds. This equipment is very automatic and high efficiency. It is more suitable for larger capacity and controlled by PLC system. This one is a small pump oil screw press machine. Can see the picture. We have two control system. One is hydraulic and the other is is a cyclic system. The capacity of it is 500 kg per hour and suitable for home use, small investors, palm oil production, business starters. And this equipment advantage is low investment and small footprint and easy to cooperate. If you want to process palm oil, this one can process them. In terms of power system, taking into account the power instability of some users in the region, so the two system is controlled by them. Let's go on. This one is a double screw palm oil press machine. The capacity of it is very 1 tons per hour and 5 tons per hour, 10 tons per hour and 15
有买
tons
家
per
进入直播
hour.
间了。
It is suitable for home use, small investors, or larger scale palm oil mill plants. It is can used for the production line. This one is a high oil yield and automatic and easy to operate. Can be used in palm oil pressing line. You can see. It can actually handle 1 to 2 tons per hour and can give volume for money. The residual oil rate can reach 6 to 7%. At the same time, this oil press also combined with the hydraulic pump station to realize the automatic adjust of the pressure in the chamber, so that we can ensure that we can get as much as oil as possible at the same time, it will not destroy the palm kernel. So if you want to get palm kernel and sell them, you can use this machine to press palm fruits. This one is the palm kernel oil press machine. You can see this picture. It's the capacity of it is 500 kg per hour. It is suitable for home use, small investors, or palm kernel oil mill plant. So it also can use in the plant or production line. This equipment will resist and automatic and easy to operate, can be used in palm kernel oil processing line. This I see. Okay, let's go on. These are the oil press production line. This is type 1, small oil press line. This is a roaster. This is the roaster. This roaster can make the oil seeds first need to be clean. This is a roaster, and it can make the temperature and moisture to achieve your needs, and then transported by this conveyor to the machine to press and filter the oil. This is very simple. The capacity of it is 1 to 2 tons per day, and it is suitable for small and medium scale oil mill plant. Okay, we'll go on. This one is a type 2 medium or larger scale oil press line. We can see this picture. In the production line, it have many equipments, includes crude oil storage tank, leaf filter to remove the impurities, and oil residue scraper, press machine, and cooker. Cooker is to adjust the temperature and moisture. This is a Destiner vibrating screen, cyclone, pulse dust collector, magnetic separator. These three are cleaning machine. The three machine are cleaning machine. This is a cracker and the softening pot. Softening pot, we can see this flaking roll and so on. This one is a capacity to 10 to 1,000 tons per day. It is suitable for larger scale oil mill plant and high oil content oil seeds, peanuts, sunflower seeds, cotton seeds, rapeseed, and other. Okay, we can see the working process. This is oil seeds. It can include peanuts, sunflower seeds, and so on. And the second section is to cleaning. First, this is also the first section. Our cleaning equipment includes vibrating screen, Destiner, and magnetic separator. We can see this one. This one is the vibrating screen. It is staying here, and Destiner and the magnetic separator. Their role is to remove impurities such as roots, leaves, metal impurities, and stones, so as not to damage and clog the machine. And then this is a cracking. Many oil have shells, like some sunflower seeds have shells, so it can peel with this cracker. This is the cracker. Let's go on. This is the crushing. After that, the seeds are broken into 4 to 5 pieces by this crusher. To reduce the pressure of the oil press. So this is the crushing section. And then we go on the flaking section. This machine, you can see this machine is a flacker, which can press raw materials into thin sheets to increase their contract area with the oil press, thereby improving the oil yield. This one. The next step is to steam. To steam and fry the oil in a cooker to adjust the moisture and temperature of the oil. And in above, I also took this machine. This is cooking. It is like a tower. It have heating coils, so you can enter the steams in it to achieve effect. This is the pressing section. We use the pressers to get oil. We use a screw oil press to extract oil. The oil press not only has the common screw oil press, but also has the hydraulic oil process. And also has the hydraulic oil process and automatic temperature control oil press, and the residual oil rate can reach 6 to 7%. Okay, we'll go on the next person. Next section is filtering. It's filtering to remove impurities in the crude oil. Then your oil will be more cleaner and more cleaner. The filter equipment, we have oil clarification tank, leaf filter, and bag filter, and so on. So we can say you will get the cooking oil. The working process and equipment are different according to the features of each oil seed. So engineers team will design for you based on your needs. We can design for you. The type 3 is simple palm oil press line. The capacity of it is 1 to 2 tons per hour. This is palm fruit branches, and this one is the thresher, a simple time thresher machine. You can see it is 1 to 2 tons per hour. Simple time threshing used to remove the palm fruits from the branches, and it is very low cost and high efficiency. It will save your labor and get a more high efficiency. From this machine, you will get palm fruit. This is the palm fruit. Palm fruit will into the press to get oil. You can see you have two choices. The first one is a screw palm oil press machine. It is a 500 kilogram per hour single screw palm oil presser. It is used to extract oil from the palm fruit, and it is a low residual oil rate to power system of diesel and motor. It is suitable for different power conditions. No grace. And the second one is a double screw palm oil press machine. It is 1 to 2 tons per hour. This is the capacity. Double screw oil presser used to extract oil from palm fruits. Low residue oil rate and high efficiency, suitable for production line. From this one, okay, we go on. This machine is a plate filter. It is 500 to 1000 kilogram per hour plate filter. It is used to remove impurities. From the crude oil and get a cleaner crude oil, and widely used with good performance. Good performance. This one is the crude oil. We will get the crude oil, it is red. This production line suitable for home use and small investors. This is type 4, small scale palm oil press line. We can see the press line have many equipment. Let's look this. We can see this yellow is the double screw palm oil presser, and this one is the thrasher to get the palm down, and it is the digester to get more oil. And this one is also the digester, and the sterilizer to reduce the FFA and get the palm fruit to be softer to get more oil. And this one is a vibrating screen, steam boiler, and oil dry system. Steam boiler it will make the steam to the production line. I give you 5 lakhs. Thank you. The working process. You can see we can clearly see the machine. This is the palm fruit and the sterilization. The sterilization is to reduce the FFA to prevent your palm fruit be bad. And this is the thrashing section, digesting section, and pressing section, and clarification section, and then filtering to get clean crude oil. This is the red palm oil.
有买家进入直播间了。
This production line is a medium and larger scale palm oil press line. We can see the line is very big. The capacity of it is 10 tons per hour. 30 tons per hour, and 45 tons per hour, 60 tons per hour, and 120 tons per hour. It also has the same section. Let's look at this. The first one is the raw materials receive station. This station is to receive the palm oil, the palm fruits. The section is the sterilizing station, and a third is the thrashing station, digesting and pressing station, and oil clarification. The oil clarification is to get the big impurities down, and then get the clean oil. This is the sixth oil storage station. Oil storage. I can see this. This one is the red. Is the Red is oil storage station. And the kernel recovery station, kernel recovery station, there we can 7, number 7. And boiler station is number 8. This is the boiler station. Thank you, Andy Wang. We go on. This is 9 Water Street station. In the there. This is a workshop. We have a review the working process. This is a raw material reception station. In this area, we can say there is a truck there or trucks to transport the raw material in our workshop. And in the second number 2 is a sterilization station. This one is a sterilization station. We can say this is a conveyor to transport it, and have elevators. These are the transport machines. This is a threshing station. Threshing station is number 3. It is near the sterilization station. It have threshing station. Go on is the digesting pressing station. And the oil clarification station, this one. And the kernel recovery station, from this product line, you will get more and more. Okay. Hello. And suitable for medium and larger scale palm oil mill plant. This production line is palm kernel oil press line. From this production line, we also get more and more. We will get many palm kernels. If you want to, you can purchase, you can sell them or get palm kernel oil. If you want to get palm kernel oil, you can use this press line. This press line is used to press palm kernel to get palm kernel oil. Let's look at this. The first one is a palm kernel nuts grading shell. It is based on the surface. The small and bigger. The small and bigger will be in the same shell. You can, according to your choose, if you want to use this not grading shell, you can use. If you don't want, we will not use it in your product line. And the second is the palm kernel nut cracker. This one These are two palm kernel nuts cracker. From this grading machine, the palm kernel will into the palm nuts cracker. The palm nuts cracker, it can be cracked into 4 to 6 pieces. And this one is the palm kernel shell separating system. In the three is it have a magnetic, it have cyclone and other machines. In this one, it can achieve the clean environment. After this machine, we will use this conveyor to the palm kernel crushing machine. And this one is a cooker to adjust the temperature and the moisture. There are 3 conveyor, we can say. Then the cooker. After the cooker, we will get the palm kernel oil presser. Palm kernel oil presser. This one. Okay, let's go on. In there, this is the pressing we have looked. And then the oil will we will get the oil. The oil will into the plate filter to remove the impurities and some waters, and then to get the storage tank. Our storage tank also have the heating effect function. Let's see. This is the palm nut. And then it will get the cracking and kernel and shell separating. Palm kernel cracker and separator machine is specially and newly developed to use for cracking and separating palm nuts. It consists of palm nuts cracking machine and palm nuts and shell separating machine. We can say this one. There is cracking and there is separating. This machine can help handcuff you obtain palm kernel quickly and efficiency. Its cracking rate and separating rate are all as high as 95%. It is a good choice for people who want to start a small-scale palm kernel oil pressing business. From this system, we will get palm kernel. The palm kernel will into the crushing, cooking, pressing, filtering, and you will get the palm kernel oil. Cooking, pressing, and filtering. And this line is suitable for small and medium scale palm kernel oil mill plant. This is the oil solvent extraction line. It is very big and difficult to use. And I will talk about the information for you and the equipment. If you want to buy, you can chat with me. Oil production by solvent extraction is the application of chemical extraction principle. So it uses the chemical according to the chemical extraction principle. Generally, for oil with low For oil with low content, such as soybeans, rice bran, and so on, we recommend the way of pretreatment and leaching oil production. Because the residual oil rate of leaching oil production is less than 1%, which can maximize the oil yield of customers. When the pressing capacity is greater than 20 tons per day, we recommend to consider this product line, solvent extraction line. Okay, we look at this line. This line have many equipments. We have material storage tank. Material storage tank is material storage tank and condenser for toaster and condenser for evaporator. We can see this one is a material storage tank, and this one is a condenser for evaporator. Condenser for toaster. You can see the three is a toaster, and extractor, and solvent heater, and striping vent gas condenser, vent gas fan, solvent heater. Okay. Solvent heater and absorbing column, desorption column, water separation tank, and the secondary evaporator, and the solvent holding tank, micellar tank. This one is the economizer, and capture condensate tank, cold wind cyclone, and blower, and hot wind cyclone, and desolventizer toaster, and cell auger, and wet cage scraper. It is a very big production line. The capacity of it is 20 to 500 tons per day. Let's see the working process. This is the machine. You can see the pictures. The pressing cake and puffing material will into this solvent extraction system, and solvent will into this. Then we will get a wet mill and micellar. The wet mill will into the DTDC system, or while the micellar will into the evaporating stripping system. We can say this is the evaporative stripping system, and this is the DTDC system. We look at this one. From this system, we will get dry mill and solvent vapor. And from this evaporative stripping system, we will get solvent vapor and crude oil. And from these two systems, we also will get solvent vapor. The solvent vapor will into the condenser. This one is the condenser and the recovery system. This one will condense the solvent vapor to use, and it can use for one times, so it can reduce your cost, and it can save your cost, and then we'll get the solvent. Before in solvent extraction, oil seeds need to be processed by pretreatment equipment, which are different according to the features the feature of each oil seed, so engineers team will design for you based on your needs. This is a 3. This is the 4 section. This one is a solvent extraction, and this one is micellar evaporation and stripping, and dissolving and bake and backing melt and solvent recovery. This one is solvent recovery. Then we see the hot cell equipment. The hot cell equipment have a vertical water cell extractor, lobe tap extractor, and desolventizer toaster. They are hot cell equipment for our companies. Okay, we go on. This one is an oil refining line. The purpose of refining is to enhance oil storage stability, improve oil flare, improve oil color, and provide the raw materials for oil deep processing products. According to the type of refining, it can be divided into batch type cooking oil refining machine, semi-continuous cooking oil refining machine, and the 3 is fully continuous cooking oil refining machine. The difference of them is the capacity. Let's we have all details for them. The batch type cooking oil machine. This one is a batch type cooking oil refining machine. It is suitable for small oil plants if you have a low budget and want to refining to get the cleaner and high quality oil. You can use this one. This one is a batch type cooking oil refining machine. The advantage of it is low investment, just like I have seen, is low investment, small footprint, and it is easy to operation. I can say it is very small, so will not use more space to place them. For the batch type cooking oil refining machine, we have two systems. The first to control is electric, and the second is conduction oil heating. According to your choose, they all according to your choose. Heating crude oil with resistance wear, and the first investment is less, but the stability of the local voltage requires higher. It is very higher for the local voltage. If your local voltage is not enough, you can choose the conduction oil heating. If your area is enough, you can use this electric heating. After all, it is very low investment. And this one is the conduction oil heating. Heating crude oil with conduction oil requires a conduction oil furnace. The furnace have more investment, but it is more economical in the long run. So it can If you want to process many years, you can use this oil heating. We can see I will say the pressing capacity. The electric heating is 0.5 tons per hour per day, and 1 tons per day, and 3 tons per day. So the capacity is small, and this conduction oil heating have more capacity. Processing capacity includes 1 tons per day, and 2 tons per day, and 5 tons per day, and 10 tons per day. The type 2 is a semi-continuous cooking oil refining machine. This machine, this is processing. The processing of this is processing capacity is 5 to 50 tons per day. It is suitable for medium-scale oil plant. You can see the tank, the refining tank. We have refining tank, and refining tank. The advantage of this machine is the decolorization section is carried out continuously, higher efficiency and better effect. If it is continuously, it identifies that it is very automatic. This one is the last fully continuous cooking oil refining machine. The processing capacity of it is more than 30 tons per day. It is suitable for medium and larger oil plants. For continuous refining, all section of continuous production, you need uninterrupted. The advantage of this design are small production, consumption, low oil loss, and more stable refined oil quality. We can see the advantage of it is the whole oil refining process is fully continuous. And a high degree of automation and high production capacity and low labor cost. In there, we can see the process, the refining process. The crude oil. Your crude oil will be divided into physical refining and chemical refining. Their different is the chemical refining will add will liquid in the section in the line. So it has the deacidification section, but the physical refining doesn't have the deacidification. Let's look at this. The physical refining have dry deguming. Deguming is to remove some impurities and decolorization, and then deodorization and frictionation. Some crude oil need to the frictionation, winterization, and dewaxing. If you want to edit them, you can place them. But if you don't want frictionation, then after this deodorization, you can get the edible oil. All of these are according to your choice. And this is a chemical refining. Chemical refining will alter water deguming, deacidification, decolorization, and dewaxing, winterization, and frictionation, deodorization, and then we'll get the edible oil. The oil refining process and equipment configuration solution will be different according to the cans of crude oil and the amount of cleaned budget. You can give your budget and your crude oil. We will make a
有买家进入直播间了。
choice to you. Other supporting equipment. If you want to filling the crude oil, we have bottle bottling machine and weight bridging machine and oil storage tank. This one is the oil storage tank. We can see it is very big. This is a larger scale cooking oil filling machine. This is all the oil we get from our equipment. Upcoming project profile. Doing Holdings, Henan Glory Oil and Fats Engineering Company Limited, as one of subsidiary companies of Doing Holdings Company Limited, is a comprehensive oil machine manufacturer enterprise. It is integrating process design, technology, research and development, manufacturing, sales, and after-sales service. Our business scope of cooking oil processing machine have 1 to 2,000 tons per day oilseeds pre-treatment and processing plant. It is very a big plant. And also we have 30 to 2,000 tons per day cooking oil solvent extraction plant. Other single equipment. Our company established in 2020 and 2011 is an enterprise integrating engineering, research and development, manufacturing and installation, project constructing, technological service, and international trading. We are mainly engaging in edible oil pre-treatment, pressing, refining, solvent extracting, frictionation, winterization, dewaxing, and so on. These are the we can see this is the picture. Our company have many certificates. We can see the certificates. The certificate of quality management system and the verified supplier certificate and a certificate of compliance. These are the project cases. We have many project cases in 80 countries, in more than 80 countries. This is refining. This is a project in Egypt. and Pakistan and China and Nigeria. These all the customers get oil, and this is refining in Indonesia, Zambia, and Congo, and Thailand. This one is the filter. We can see this is the plate filter. It is the equipment to remove impurities and water. Korea, China, Liberia, and other equipments, other countries. These are our service. We have pre-sale service, on-sale service, and after-sale service. So you don't worry to use the equipment. The pre-sale service, you can visit the factory production workshop, one-to-one equipment configuration plan the equipment, place site. On-sale service, you can check the production condition of the machine. And also, you can communicate the progress of equipment manufacturing. After sale service, we have 1 year warranty and guide equipment installation and commissioning and technical training. There, we have technical engineers and more than 50, and 2,000 customers, and exporting for countries, for 80 countries. We have an independent technical research and development team and have obtained various utility model patents and invention patents. At the same time, all departments work together surely to provide you with one-stop high-quality service from research and development, design, production, sales, and after sales. While our live broadcast today is over, if you are interested in our equipment, you can contract us according to the following ways. Bye bye.